to the room, and I realized that we did a lot of nice communications during these 2 days. I hope that with those communications we can share all the knowledge about these histories behind biodiversity, because biodiversity is one of the main heritage from the maritime, from the ocean. As you can see, we are just here in Peniche, we have a straight connection with the ocean, with all the maritime heritage, but the biodiversity is a part of all the heritage. So it's important, of course, for us to collaborate with you, with this international meeting. I hope that in the near future we can also have another moment to collaborate with each other. I think we can give some advantage or some support for all activities, and I hope that and I think that you can help us for what we are doing here in the School of Tourism and Maritime Technology, not only the maritime, but the tourism and biodiversity and the biology. I don't know if you know, but we are on the Biosphere Reserve of UNESCO, inside of the Biosphere Reserve of UNESCO of Leiria, and it's important for us to have these kind of events in this territory also. So just these brief words, so welcome words, and I hope that during these days we have such a nice work, and also collaboration and the networking that is very important during these events. And I think that at the end it is important to realize that Peniche and the school was the best solution or the best choice for this event. I hope that to see all of you in the near future in Peniche or at the school or around, but you are also, of course, very welcome to the school in Peniche. Thank you for coming.
Good morning. Welcome to Peniche. I'm Ana Batalha, and I'm a councillor in the municipality city. I want to thank and congratulate all the organization of this meeting. This meeting is very important to the city of Peniche due to the relevance and pertinence of the themes, knowledge and projects that scientists and researchers will share in these 3 days of meeting and conference. The studies that will be shared here on the relationship of the sea with mankind in a transdisciplinary perspective and behind biodiversity are emergent and necessary themes for the knowledge and safeguard of the sea and the communities. Peniche is a territory where the sea is central, as you can see even by this where we are, the School of Tourism and Technology of the Maritime of the Sea. I think it's like that in English. It has for all this a lot of relevance for the region of Peniche as well for Portugal. I would like to take this opportunity to share that the municipality of Peniche is in the process of requalifying the long-duration exhibition of the Interpretative Center of Antologia da Baleia in a collaboration with the CHAM, Humanidades Center of University Nova. And next Saturday you will be the opportunity to know and guide with to the exhibition project, The Whale in Antologia, integrating the program Peniche November Month of the Sea. It's a program, a municipality program in this month. I thank you for your presence, and I wish you a good stay and a good work in these 3 days. Thank you, Doctor.